Welcome to another tutorial with DJ Angel. Today we walk through the basic functions we'll be using to do our mixes, from playing all the way to mixing. Keep tuned. The first one is a play button. So you press the play button and you start playing the music. Where my cursor is on the deck 1.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just hold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention, I'll leave an impression.
Stop music by pressing the small circle just above play button to stop the music. Where my cursor is. We'll use backspin, backspace and loop out to also stop the music as another option.
You could try to play.
That is backspin.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna.
That is loop out.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me.
And backstart. We'll be using these on a sample mix in a few. Next is how to start music using Scratch. Baby Scratch 1. Baby Scratch 2. One X Freya.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna be.
Backspin. Scratch 1. Scratch 2. Scratch 3. Scratch 4. We will apply Baby Scratch on 2 songs. We load on deck 1 by dragging and dropping. Drag and drop. Then drag and drop on deck 2. Then use Baby Scratch on deck 1. As it plays, Baby Scratch deck 2. Then we use Backstart on deck 1 to stop the first music. Then have the second music continue playing.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive.
Let's see what we have done. Baby Scratch the first song and let it continue.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to.
Baby Scratch the second song as the first one is playing and let it continue playing.
You don't have to like me. Got enough. You could try to
Break start the first song and let the second song continue playing.
play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive.
Stop the second song using our small dots above the play button. Next, let's see what the items are just do to our music. Disable vocal. enable the vocals again. Disable and enable bass. Applying kick to our song. Apply hit hat. Let's see the samplers. They add special effects to the song. So let's apply what we have run on Real Mix. We'll do a few songs, then we'll do a project after this. So stay tuned.
Be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know I will ignite me. Ain't easy, bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chest, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just hold an obsession, all in his possession. You got the attention, I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discard, 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 no discard. You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never lose. I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic, it's psychotic, but there's logic, 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 logic. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain now, 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 your brain now.
So if you followed my cursor, you should be able now to mix. In the next tutorial, we should be able to do a full project, do a full mix, record, and see our recording. I will show you how to edit for upload on various social media sites. Thank you. Like, subscribe. Remember to hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I release new mix.